Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add a button stand to a bodice pattern. So for this tutorial I'm going to use easy fitting bodice block, so I'll link my tutorial for that down below. As you can see, I've already traced it out and I've moved the dart into the underarm. I'll also link my tutorial for how to do that down below. So first we're going to mark in buttonholes along the centre front, and basically you're going to want to choose your starting point and then decide how many buttons that you want to have. I went with 4 buttons and I done them 10 centimeters apart. So at each marked point you're going to want to measure out 0.2 centimeters the other side of the centre front line. And then you're going to mark in a T shape like I did in the video, and these are just going to be your markers for your buttons and your buttonholes. So now you need to draw in your button stand on the centre front. I went with 2 centimeters wide, but this all depends on the size of your buttons, so you can choose whatever size you want. So now it's time to draw in the facing. So I chose to make mine 6 centimeters wide, but you can choose to make yours any size you want. So I marked in the 6 centimeters the whole way up the bodice using the centre front as my starting point. So I then joined all the lines together with my straight and my curved rulers. So I actually ended up not liking the shape of it, so I went back in with the curved ruler and just kind of shaped it a little bit more to give it a nicer line. And then I marked the old line with a couple of X's just to remind myself that this isn't the one I'm using. So now you need to fold over your sheet at the centre front line so that you can mirror your facing. So once you've it folded, you're going to want to trace out the facing, the shoulder and the neckline using a tracing wheel. So once you've it done, then unfold your sheet and then just draw in your mirrored facing with your rulers. So I actually folded mine back over and I marked in darts from the original centre front so that it'd mirror out onto the facing. So go ahead and mark in all your information and you can add your seam allowance at this point. And that is your finished pattern. So I really hope you found this helpful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.